Hey everybody, this is Stacy, and in this video, we're going to give some basics of our project number 2 of our Monday weekly bid alert. So this is, and let's transfer over. This is a future community center building, but it's primarily civil work. And so this is a good one. It's very good. So let's look through the sheets that we have. And if you are a member, you will receive all of the takeoffs and all of the man-hour calculations, all the full study videos through YouTube, membership channel information, however we say that, or on Black Truth TV for the paid trade channels. Okay, and so and this one for this week, and also if you're a contractor in California, Southern or NorCal, reach out if you're interested in bidding on commercial work. I would love to assist you in bidding stuff just like this. So let's take a look at what we have, and this is the site plan. And so, yeah, this is going to be new. And so, what it's showing us is, landscape for what's shown, the walkway, all of the general stuff. I mean, if we wanted to, we could do some square foot, we could do some measuring of the lines and the symbols because yeah, each one of these, man hour totals, how many do we have, how many letters are there, and it's a man hour total per letter per symbol. Okay, and what do we have here? Oh, storm pond, that's interesting. So we're going to look at those section views of the pond, so it's most likely going to give us the depth, so we'll know how much to excavate out of that. So that'll be a nice one. So if you are a member, again, you will have the videos uploaded. And I say when? They're always uploaded for your Saturday study. So on Construction Queen TV, on Black Truth TV, all weekend there are study videos. And they will be here for you on YouTube and there also. All uploaded either Friday night, but by Saturday morning at 10 a.m., all these study videos. And we're starting with electrical, mechanical, and plumbing. So all of that full study review and the full takeoff for the set of plans will be uploaded. If you are a third tier member, you get the full estimate. Okay, so again, this is a new portion of a warehouse community center that they're building. So we don't have any of the interior. We're just doing the basically the civil work. So just showing, giving you some details. And here's the electrical set for the exterior, which I think is really good for an electrician to look at and study. Okay, so they're showing us the trench details. So this is where our wire is going to go. So yeah, this is a good one, right? Giving us all of our assembly information. And we're assuming, unless it's going through concrete enforced, something, we assume, and it would say in the specification. So for the purpose of the estimate, general rule is most likely PVC unless it's stated otherwise, but definitely we need to, there we go. So it is encased in concrete in the electrical conduits, and whatever number 7 is, 12 inches wide, 18 below the surface, da da da. But with the electrician, are we digging the ditch? Doubt it, but it's important to know. And if they ask us to, we'll be able to determine how many cubic yards of dirt, how many cubic yards of this concrete or square feet, or however we need to do it. So this tells us a lot. We do need some bedding up underneath it. So it tells us a lot. And so, again, if you're a member, we're going to go through everything in detail and have all of the numbers. Okay, so here's our equipment. Okay, panel, easy. And then the grading plan, which I thought was interesting. And, so again, this is just our civil set for this new, and this is what I like. Anytime you have underground anything, you want a profile view. Okay, and what does the profile view show you? The existing profile and the new profile, meaning, you know, the existing top of the curb, existing. Okay, and so you can use this grid to determine, because this is the fence for the new, here's the fence, right? And each of these locations, which is the post for the fence, corresponds to something here. And so we can determine, I mean, if we have to be able to determine very detailed stuff like how many cubic yards of dirt do I have to excavate for this and how far. See, that's the bottom of the fence. Yeah. So this gives us a lot of information about our cut and fill numbers. You always want to see one of those. And last but not least, our beautiful landscape plan, where these represent the trees, right? The trees, the shrubs, the smaller trees, and they're all represented here by their actual scientific name and what we call them. And so what you have to do now, if this is right, that's easy. I mean, me, I'm kind of weird. I'll go back in the set of plans and actually count to make sure we do have 43, because if you don't, then whose fault is that? You supposed to be lazy and go by this, or are you supposed to go by what you see? So, okay, you're not supposed to be lazy. Gives you A, B, C, and D, and I don't know how they represent all these other ones. But yeah, you have to try to be as accurate as possible, and that's easy. And then last but not least, the irrigation plan. Basically, outside underground plumbing for the flowers and plants. Okay, so again, if you're a member, you'll get all the details and the takeoff, man hours, how we determine that. And in this case, you must have noticed I didn't talk about productivity factors, because this is new from the ground up. There's no access issues because we're going to start literally from the ground up. So we're going to dig out everything, put that in first, drop the concrete and whatever goes above that. And there's no issue. Okay, so this is Stacy. If this is something you're interested in, make sure to join, like, subscribe. This is our Monday bid opportunity. This is number 2 of 3, and I actually did number, should have been 2, but I didn't transfer over the plans, so I'm just talking to my picture. All right, ladies and gentlemen, make sure to like, join, subscribe, and if 3 levels of membership. And if you know someone in any of the 50 states interested, junior high, interested in learning about construction, any of the trades, make sure you have their parents reach out. And I would love to give them the opportunity to meet with me so I can tell them how exciting the world of construction can be and how much fun it is to be self employed. Talk to you soon.